Welcome to Additive Guru. My name is Samantha Godsey and I'm a mechanical engineer here in the lab. And today we're going to learn how to write on the round in Autocad.
Welcome to the modeling side. So we're going to be putting our text onto an object, so we'll need to know that diameter that we need it to follow because we're going to create a circle. And then from that circle we will create an arc. So I know that mine's going to be 6 inches in diameter. And then I'm going to use that circle as a template for my arc. And then I will no longer need the circle. Delete that. We're going to use the arc text command. Let's choose our arc. We're going to use the standard profile here. I'm going to say that my text is Additive Guru. You choose yours how you would like. I'm going to use Bookman Old Style. Choose your font wisely, because if you get too thin it doesn't print well. I'm going to choose my height and then click OK. We don't need our arc anymore. I'm going to delete that and then highlight everything and use the explode command, and then we're going to highlight everything again and use the text explode command. Let's extrude. Choose a height of 1 for now. In Meshmixer you can stretch and shrink your text. So we'll do a little movement here, and yes, we did indeed extrude. We'll export. And this will give us our STL file that we need. We'll select all of our lettering here. Now let's go over to Meshmixer. I have my plaque ready. I'm going to import append and bring in my curved text. Let Meshmixer improve the scale up and the size of everything. Alright, so there's my text and my plaque. I'm going to highlight our additive text, and then we're going to transform. We'll move this and situate it and work on the height and move it into place. This is a little stretched out, but you can use Meshmixer to to bring that in a little. Alright, good deal. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and sink it in just the way I want it. And then I can even deal with the height a little bit here. And there we have it. There's our text on the round.
Now you too can make curved text object files in Autocad. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.